Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Great Lakes Institute of Technology. I'm Rachel from Admissions, and this morning we're going to take you inside the OR, where our surgical tech students complete their training for future externship. And with me this morning is one of our instructors here, and I would like to ask you, how long have you been in the field?
I've been working in the field for 5 years, and I've been here at Great Lakes for 2.
Okay, wonderful. And tell us a little bit about your staff. How many other instructors are here in this program? How long have they been training, combined experience?
Okay, there's 5 other instructors, and we have combined experience of 45 years.
Oh wow, that's great. So why do you think this is a good career choice for students?
You get to work in the operating room next to a surgeon. You're the surgeon's right-hand man. You set up the sterile field, you pass an instrumentation, you drape the patient. You're pretty much the voice of the patient because you're right there when the patient goes to sleep.
Okay, and how long is this program? How long does it take for students to learn?
22 months.
Okay, and then how long is the externship? They have an externship in this program?
Yeah, there's a 12-week externship at the end of the program.
Okay, and where do they normally get placed in the program?
For externship?
For externship, yes.
Okay. There's multiple different externship sites within the tri-state area that they will get placed.
Okay.
There's some local and then some right outside of here.
Okay. Well, can you take us around the OR here and show us what our students are learning in this program as they get prepared?
Sure. Yeah. So I'll just do this way.
Sure.
I'll meet you over here.
Yeah.
So right here we have a student setting up just a basic general setup. He's actually in there doing his surgical scrub right now, but he's coming out right now. So give him a second to do that.
Sure.
I'm going to put on his down gloves now. So we have 3 ORs in here, so that there could be potentially 3 students setting up at one time. And then in here we have our sub-sterile room. And this is where the students learn how to scrub, and then they also learn how to do all their wrapping, peel packing, and then we also have a sterilizer where they can learn how to sterilize their instruments. And then this is where we keep all of our supplies so they can learn how to pull cases. So we have pick sheets, and it'll give them what supplies they need for their cases.
Oh, okay.
So they read the pick sheet and it'll tell them what supplies they need. They come in here and pull what they need for their case.
And where did we, with this program, did anyone donate our equipment, or where did
Yes,
we just supplies our equipment for this program?
Yeah, we actually recently got a big donation from Shriners, where we got 2 or 3 OR tables, and just a bunch of different equipment from there. But we get donations all the time.
And how can a student further their career?
After graduation, you can become a first assist. Meridian offers a nice program. I'm not exactly sure on how long it is, but so you can be a first assist where you can assist in closing. So once the case is finished, you can close the wound with suturing.
Okay, so you can become first assistant for suturing.
So
Now, are there any traveling opportunities with surgical tech?
Yeah, which is a really nice position. Once you have 2 years experience and you're a certified tech, you can travel. And with traveling, everything is paid for except for obviously your food. They'll pay for your housing, whatever it costs for you to get there. And so you get like a stipend and it covers all your expenses while you're there. And it's a 13-week assignment.
Okay, and if there's any questions, our viewers, there's a comment section. You can also type in a question and feel free to ask us at any time during the presentation right now that you've kind of seen the room a little bit. So what advice or how can students be successful in this type of a program?
You have to study, be committed to the program. It's very intense. It takes a lot of time. You have to put a lot of time into your schooling and be dedicated.
Okay. Well, if anyone has any questions, if you would like to set up a tour, you can also call us 814-864-6666. You can also log on to our website at glit.edu. So is there anything else you'd like to add to the presentation that maybe isn't on our website, or maybe something that we didn't cover in the tour that would also be helpful to future students?
If possible, to get into shadow a day of lab,
Okay.
asking them,
So job shadowing or shadowing in our
even
classroom?
shadowing in a hospital,
Sure,
yeah,
sure.
to see
Sure.
what it's like
Is
to
always
be a surge
helpful.
tech, yeah, it's helpful too.
Okay. All right. Well, if you have any other questions, please give us a call. Like I said, our number 814-864-6666. And once again, that website is glit.edu. Thanks for watching.